Hey guys, it's me, Arkatron. Um, I'm out walking here in the harsh Swedish winter on my way to McDonald's. So I thought I would make like a video showcasing the journey of how it's like to travel around in Stockholm in the winter, and like give some tips on how to survive, because it can be pretty hard even for like individuals who are used to this kind of weather. So the first tip I have is don't trip and fall on the ice. As you can see, it's like very slippery. So that could be my first tip, because if you fall on the ice you might like die or something. As you can see, I'm walking very carefully because my shoes are flat on the underside, even though they are like snowshoes. I don't really know why they are flat. So yeah, so one tip to avoid this like icy roads is to avoid roads with this sign. So yeah. So guys, the second tip is to wear like fancy winter clothes. As you can see, I got like brand new gloves on, and like multiple layers of clothing so that I don't freeze to death and get like frostbite. So yeah, keep that in mind. Also around this time of year, something that's pretty interesting is this. I don't know if you can see it, it's like wet ice. It's called, in Sweden we call it slush. And basically what they do around this time of year is they go around with like big machines and collect it. Then they put like food coloring in it, and then they sell it in the summer as like a refreshing ice thingy. I don't know, it exists outside of Sweden too, I think, but I don't know what it's called. But that's like what this thing on the ground is. Oh, here is an icy bit, guys, so let's be careful. So yeah, now you know how they make slush. I'll just look up what it's called in English and put it on the screen now. So yeah, now you know that. So yeah, you can hear me, look. I'll show you. See, it's like liquid ice. So yeah, now you understand that. On to the next fun fact about how to survive Swedish winter while going to McDonald's. Tip. So guys, I mentioned before how like the slippery the road can be. And the one tip I came up with now that I forgot to tell you guys is that if there is snow on the side of the road where there is ice, you should walk in the snow, because you get like, you sink into the snow and you won't slip and fall and die while you hit your head on something. So yeah, you can see there are no footsteps of people who have done that. One thing you can do in the Swedish winter is like go out in nature. As you can see, I'm in the forest, and like enjoy how beautiful it is, or non-beautiful, I guess. Like it's pretty depressing, not gonna lie. It's just like gray and the white. Although if you're into those colors, I guess it's pretty nice. So yeah. Also guys, don't be fooled by these roads that like look like they are completely clear of like ice and stuff, because as you can see they look like wet. That's because it's plus degrees right now. As soon as this goes into minus degrees, this will freeze and become like deadly. So keep that in mind. So if you're ever walking on one of these roads and it looks fine, like when it's minus 1 degree or something, be very careful, because it might be like a death trap and you will like slide down a hill into like an oncoming bus or something, and then you will like get hit by the bus or something. I don't really know. It's not that dramatic. You probably just like fall and like hit your finger or something. I don't know. But be careful, guys. Sweden is very dangerous in the winter. Oh, there is a shopping cart right here, guys. Let's go check that out. I think we may have found like a secret location. Oh, that's deep. Oh yeah, my pants are soaked in snow. Anyways, let's check this out. This is something you can find sometimes in Sweden. It's like a shopping cart from Willys, which is like British for penis, I think. And they sell butter chicken, La Family's favorite, which means like butter chicken, whole family's favorite. So yeah, that's something you can find if you like go explore the Swedish nature, as well as this like concrete thingies with graffiti on them. So yeah, anyway, let's continue our journey to McDonald's. The reason I'm going to McDonald's today is I have been able to save up some deals by doing all the like challenges in the McDonald's app. So I think I can get like buy one burger and get like 2 for free if I do play my cards right. So I thought I would go try my luck, you know, and we'll see how it works. So that's why I'm going to McDonald's on this beautiful Christmas day. Well, it's not Christmas anymore, but like it still snows, so you could basically say it's Christmas. I think, like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's continue to McDonald's. So guys, as you can see, the thing that says Älvsjö 1.4, that's where the McDonald's is located. It's the first time I'm going to this McDonald's. I'm not really familiar with this part of the city, but I thought I would give it a try since I was in the area. So yeah, Swedish people, if you didn't know, they all like love McDonald's and fast food. Like we even have like our own chains, like Max Hamburgers. I've never showed them on their channel before, I think, but they're pretty good. But today I'm going to McDonald's because, as I said, I have some meals. And basically it's like a Christmas tradition in Sweden to go to McDonald's like after the New Year's. So like the day after New Year's, like on the 1st of January, all the McDonald's have like open 24/7 or like super much staff and stuff, because everybody will go to McDonald's and eat like double cheeseburgers and stuff because they're too lazy to make food after partying all night. So that's like become a Swedish modern tradition, I guess. So yeah, anyways, let's continue to our destination. So guys, I made it to the beautiful McDonald's. It's right over there next to this gas station. So let's go and eat burgers. So guys, I just ate McDonald's. I only ate 2 burgers, but I'm very full right now. So I probably couldn't even have eaten 3 if I wanted to. So yeah, it was pretty good. It was a mistake though to eat McDonald's so far from home, because I need to go home and, you know, use the toilet to take a shit now, and it's very far home from here for me. So yeah, anyways, enough about that. Let's get to the final tip about surviving the Swedish winter, and that is that it gets dark outside very early. It's only like 4 in the afternoon right now, and it's already like almost pitch black. On my phone it looks like it's a lot brighter than it actually is, because my phone camera is like special or something, I don't really know. So yeah, keep that in mind in case you're like walking out in the wilderness and all of a sudden it's dark outside. That you should probably be careful so you don't like get lost in the dark. So yeah, anyways guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching as usual, and peace out, I guess.
Brian, what's it look like out there?
Yeah, it looks like snow, just like I predicted in my forecast from the studio. I'm not sure why I'm out here literally looking around. It looks like snow. You could just take a video of it snowing and show that. Why do I have to be here to describe snowfall? It's pretty self-explanatory.